Hello everyone, welcome back to the series on Indian mathematics, Ganitha Ratna Kosha. Till now, we have seen how to do a variety of arithmetic operations in a variety of ways, in multiple ways, and we saw quite a few easy methods of doing arithmetic calculations. In the next few videos, we will see how we can do combined operation. The first of those being sum of product. So, let us see how we can do sum of products easily in very less steps. So, here we are multiplying two digit numbers and adding them. So, if for example, and we know the pattern how to do a multiplication of two digit numbers with crisscross. So, we will use the crisscross technique, but try and do the entire sum in a single step. And we know the pattern, so I am not going to write the pattern. The answer will have three parts because both of them are multiplying two digit numbers. So, the left, so let us go from left to right. So, the left is 2 into 4 here and 3 into 2. So, I will add them together. So, this is 2 into 4 8 and 3 into 2 is 6. So, that is 14. Then I have crisscross. So, here it is 4 plus 12 16 and here it is 12 plus 10 22. So, I just did the crisscross 2 into 2 4 plus 4 into 2 12, that is 16, and then 3 into 4 12 plus 2 into 5 10, that is 22, and this is 38. Similarly, I do the rightmost part, which is 3 times 2 plus 5 times 4, 6 plus 20. So, this is 26. And now I pass the digits. So, this 2 will go here. So, this becomes 40, and then this 4 passes to the left. So, this becomes 1806. So, this is the sum of the product of 23 and 42 and 35 and 24. So, this is how we can use the crisscross technique to do sum of products in 1 or 2 steps. Let us look at one more example. So, let us say I am doing 51. Here I will also use vinculum, 6 bar 1 into 42 plus 35 into 21. So, I do not even have to write the parts if I am comfortable adding those individual multiplication. So, this is 6 times 4 24 plus 3 times 2 6, that is 30, that is the leftmost part. Then I have 6 times 2 12 minus 4 8. So, I can write here 8 if I will forget it. Then 3 and 10 13, 8 plus 13. So, that is 21. Then I have minus 2, 2 times 1 is minus 2 and 5. So, that will be 3. So, this will be 3 2 1 3. As you notice, the multiplication and addition happens in a single step, and hence the writing down the answer from left to right also becomes easier. If we can also extend it to bigger sum of products. So, for example, if I am dealing with 3 products and their sum, plus I will use vinculum 5 bar 2 into 42 plus 36 into 41. Now, I can start writing the answer. It is 2 times 3 6 and here it is 20, that is 26, and 12, that is 38. Then the middle parts, so 4 plus 3 12, 4 plus 3 7, then I have 10 minus 8 2, and then 3 plus 24 27, that is 36. Then I have 2 minus 4 and 6. So, 6 minus 4 2 plus 2, which is 4. So, this becomes 4 1 6 4. See, we can also use vinculums in here, and then the whole addition and multiplication becomes much easier as long as we deal with the negatives properly. Now, this technique can be extended even if we are multiplying different number of digits in each part of the sum. So, for example, if I was doing 134 into 32 plus 25 into 71, again the same crisscross technique. Now, there are 4 parts here and 3 parts here. So, there will be 4 parts in the answer. The leftmost part is nothing but the moving multiplier 1 into 3. So, there is only one part for the leftmost, only 1 into 3. Then here we get the crisscross of this 1 into 2 plus 2 into 6, that is 2 plus 9, 11 plus 2 into 7, 14. So, that gives me 25. Then the multiplier has moved here. So, it is 3 times 2 6 plus 3 times 4 12, 6 plus 12 is 18 plus 2 times 1 2 and 7 times 5 is 35, that is 37. So, this is 55, and then we have the last part, which is 4 times 2 8 plus 5, that is 13. Now, you pass the digits. So, I have, so this 1 is going here, this 5 is going here, so this 2 is going here. So, this is 6 0 1 3. So, that is how we can calculate the sum of products reasonably easily in 1 or 2 steps. Once we get used to it, we can ignore writing all the intermediate steps and just write the answers with the digits being passed. I have given some problems in the notes. Please do try them out. You can also find the workings on the bharatgyan.com website. For any clarifications or suggestions, please do write to me. Thank you.